Okay guys, so welcome you all in this particular video. Now today we'll discuss about the low fee structure and the high placement with respect to all Maharashtra based colleges. So guys, Maharashtra based colleges के लिए अगर आप try कर रहे हो, you should prepare for the NBA CET and वहां आपको काफी अच्छा स्कोर करना पड़ेगा to get enter into the top colleges जिसकी फी स्ट्रक्चर कम हो और प्लेसमेंट काफी ज्यादा. Guys, if we are investing something, obviously we want more return and that is nothing but the placement, so it will gives you the best ROI. Okay, so stay tuned with me throughout this video. We'll discuss in detail about कौन सी ऐसी कॉलेजेस है जो आपसे काफी कम पैसे लेती है बट इन रिटर्न आपको ढेर सारा पैसा देती है guys. So stay tuned with me. And guys, before moving further, we have launched the batches for all MBA entrance exams. You can prepare with us for all MBA entrance such as MBA CET, for CAT, for MAT, NMAT, CMAT, GMAT, IFT, ZAT and various other entrance exams are there. So if you want to interact live with us, so if you want to join, you can call on 82857455 or you can visit our website manual.com/MBA entrance. Now in live class, guys, you will get various features. You will get live interactions. You will receive books at your doorstep. You will learn video shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made and you will solve around 10,000 plus questions and you will also get the mentorship by our mentors. So what are you waiting for? Just call now and book your seat right now. Now let's move to the main topic. Which institute gives you the best ROI? So guys, पहले मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले नाम आएगा and that is nothing but the JBIMS. The JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, and it will gives you the great ROI because इसका फी स्ट्रक्चर काफी कम है. 3 lakhs for open category candidate, annual fees is there, and now 6 lakh for 2 years. अगर मैं बात करूं SC ST category candidates की और the candidates who comes under the categories, then उनकी फी स्ट्रक्चर होगी around 1 lakh for 1 year. So 2 lakh will be for 2 years. Okay guys, if I'm talking about and with respect to the open category candidates, all those who belongs to the Mumbai University, for them fee structure is 3 lakh. All those who belongs to the other than Mumbai University, for those 3 lakh and 440 rupees, and all those who comes under the OMS category, उनके लिए fee structure है 3 lakh 5,000, 3 lakh 540 rupees. So now to enter into this particular institute, guys, look at the cutoff mark. Guys, look at the cutoff. You have to score around 99.97 percentile in your MBA CET, in your MBA, in your Maharashtra MBA CET. So guys, packages, if you talk about, look at the package guys, look at the package guys, it will gives you around 22.84 lakh per annum का package. वो the average package है. Highest package की बात करूँ then guys, forget about all things. You should target only this particular college. Now let's move to the another one. Low fee structure and high placement. So this one is nothing but the Signum College, Signum Institute of Management Study, Research and Entrepreneurship Education. Now to enter into this particular institute, guys, you have to score around 99.93 percentile in MBA CET and look at the fee structure, guys. काफी nominate fee structure as it is a government institute. So your fee structure will be around 1,34,000 only for all 2 years. Okay guys, now एवरेज पैकेज की अगर बात करूं 12 to 30 लाख पर एनम का पैकेज here you will get in your pocket. Now next one, another जो काफी बेस्ट ROI देगी guys आपको, and that is nothing but the Pumba Department of Management Science, situated at Ganesh in Pune, and this will gives you around 7.6 lakh per annum का पैकेज. फी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करूं guys, then for 2 years it is only 1,40,000 rupees. And अगर मैं बात करूं then, and if I talk about the cutoff, then 99.71 percentile. So guys, टारगेट यही रखो, ऐसे कॉलेजेस मिले जहां मुझे काफी अच्छा रिटर्न मिले. Okay guys, next one in our list is nothing but the College of Engineering Pune, COEP, well known as the COEP, Shivajinagar, situated at Shivajinagar, Pune. फी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करूं then guys, around 4 lakh for 2 years, and मैं पैकेजेस की बात करूं then 6 lakh per annum का पैकेज will be the average package. So it will give you the best ROI. and अगर कट ऑफ की बात करूं then guys, यहाँ कट ऑफ के लिए काफी होड़ लगी हुई है in the Pune University. So it is around 99.61 percentile. Next, let's come to the Mumbai, the Bandra Chetna Institute of Management and Research. Fee structure will be 3.5 lakh for 2 years, and the packages की बात करूं then 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum का average package you will get. Now cut off then guys obviously 99.39 percentile. 99 के अब तो आपको आना ही चाहिए to get entered into the top colleges. Next one, again one from the Bandra, the MIT, the Mumbai Education Trust. Now in this particular institute, now to enter into this particular institute, your cutoff should be 98.86 percentile, and fee structure यहाँ कम है guys, 3.4 lakh 3.4 lakh only. यहाँ अगर placement की बात करूँ then guys 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum का package you will get. Now next one in our list is nothing but the Lala Lajpat Rai Institute of Management situated at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. And now fee structure, and now if you talk about the fee structure, then look at the fee structure. Nominate fee structure guys 3.4 lakh, package मिलेगा आपको 5.5 to 6 to 7 lakh per annum का package, जो कि आपका average package होगा, and cut off 98 percentile. Thereafter you can target one of the beautiful campus जहाँ हर एक का मन करेगा I should pursue any particular course from this particular campus, and it is nothing but the XIMR. The guys, XIMR, the Xavier Institute of Management Research, situated at Churchgate, Mumbai, offer various programs. Guys, here you will get lot of facilities, काफी adventures है, काफी exposure मिलेगा for you, even the internship at the top-notch companies. Now fee structure, the fee structure is higher, 5.2 lakh. और पैकेज आपको मिलेगा अराउंड 6 to 7 lakh per annum, and cut off then guys cut off should be 99%. Next one is SIS, the South Indian Institute, Mumbai, situated at Nerul. Fee structure यहाँ guys है 5 lakhs, and अगर मैं बात करूँ placement की then you will get around 6 to 7 lakh का package. Okay, and your percentile should be 99. Guys, you are pursuing MMS from all these colleges, so यहाँ percentile high रहेगा. If you are looking for the PGDM program, तो percentile होगा कम, and it will accept the score of various other entrance exams like CAT, XAT, MAT, ATMA, CMAT, जो भी है, but it will include selection criteria, it will include the GD, PI, VAT, and whatever selection criteria. Might be आपको percentage, might be they will give you the weightage, might be they will give you certain weightage on your work experience. So if you want to pursue MMS or the MBA program, then guys उसके लिए तो आपको cut off high लगेगा. So you should be stick with your preparation. Only one dream you should have, and that is nothing but top college में enter करना है. Okay guys. Now next one, जहाँ fee structure थोड़ी सी high है. Fee structure will be 6.8 lakh, and placement then 7.8 lakh का average package, and it is nothing but the SP Mandali's V School, the Wellinger Institute Management Studies, situated Nariman Point, Mumbai, and यहाँ आपका cut off होना चाहिए 99.82% to pursue the MMS program. So finally guys, we have discussed lot of institutes with respect to MBA CET only. Although अगर मैं बात करूं to the top institutes जिनकी fee structure कम है and placement structure काफी higher than guys, various institutes are there such as FMS Delhi, USB Punjab, बहुत सारे हैं, but these all are covered but not accept the MBA CET score. This video is particular for all those candidates जो preparation कर रहे हैं for MBA CET. Okay guys, so whatever preparation you have done for all previous exams such as CAT and MAT, XAT, MAT, CMAT, ATMA, guys, if you are not satisfied with the score, you can keep MBA CET as the backup exam, and you can easily target some of the top institutes in Maharashtra जो आपको काफी best ROI देगा. Okay guys, so that's it from today's video. If you want a preparation, you can call us on 8828581455, or you can visit our website themanualv.com/MBA entrance. Now if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section, and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, the Manvo MBA Entrance. Thank you very much, guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.